Adaptation, copyright, unlimited lights. Remix stand up over my first original song, no production. Reggae love, she just smash, her inspiration crash. Washed leg tights, had heart tight, oh baby. Reggae love, move ole kamai, daru mai kai. Play me reggae beat, gentle and slow. Show me your reggae heart, Tolewa, show me your reggae heart. Show me your reggae heart, heal me broken heart. Show me your reggae heart. Slow reggae night, reel your heart right. Embrace your tight, set your heart alight. You love me reggae tonight, your heart love reggae right. Oh baby, reggae love. Move ole kamai, daru mai cry. Play me reggae beat, gentle and slow. Show me your reggae heart, Tolewa, show me your reggae heart. Show me your reggae heart, heal me broken heart. Show me your reggae heart. Our heart unfold, reggae love told. Script scribe wrote, pure in thought, healing it bright. Wash away our pain, let cool tropic rain. Again and again, wash away our pain. Oh baby, yes, reggae love. Move ole kamai, daru mai kai. Play me that reggae beat, gentle and slow. Show me your reggae heart, Tolewa, show me your reggae heart. Show me your reggae heart, heal me broken heart. Show me your reggae heart. Now talk quick avo, like brand new show. Now pain in store, just a night reggae slow. Lewa no mo, gentle flow. Our moonlight touching you. Healed by reggae, let me know. Healed by reggae, let me know. Now just me you, baby reggae love me and you. Reggae love me and you. Me and you reggae love. Now our beauty on full display. Harutoku sega ni kaiwawa. It beats strong, kagilaba. Reggae magic, vakauna na raituga.